Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to enable navigation bar in your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and maybe somehow or some cases your phone navigation gesture is high and you're looking for how to enable navigation bar. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your phone settings section. After click over there, you just scroll down and then you need to click here display. After click over display, you just scroll down and then you will find here something say navigation bar. After click over navigation bar, you need to click here this button. Immediately whenever you click button, your phone now going to be appear navigation bar. Now you can see I can easily jump over my phone this back button, home button or option button. So within this simple way you can easily enable navigation bar in your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one.